So good morning classmates, good morning everyone. So my assigned topic is all about the three components of interactional learning. So what is interactional learning? Interactional learning means learning by talking, sharing, and working with other people. So instead of just listening to the teacher, students learn through discussion, group work, asking questions, and exchanging ideas. This way, they understand better because they learn from each other thoughts and experience. So here are the learning objectives. At the end of the discussion, the participants must have explained how three components help students build trust and enhance problem solving and critical thinking skills. Demonstrated respect, trust, and value active participation in teamwork and applied cooperative and collaborative skills to complete assignments effectively and manage constructive conflict. So here are the 5 guide questions. First is what do cooperation, collaboration, and constructive conflict mean and how does each one contribute effective interactional learning? Second is how does the component of cooperation, interactional learning help students build trust, accountability, and shared responsibility for academic success. Third is, in what ways does collaboration as a component of interactional learning enhance students' problem solving, communication, and creativity skills? Number 4, what teaching strategies can educators use to create balance among cooperation, collaboration, and constructive conflict when designing group learning activities? Number 5, what common challenges teachers face in applying the three components of interactional learning? So, what do cooperation, collaboration, and constructive conflict mean, and how does each one contribute to effective interactional learning? So, cooperation means students working together in small groups to accomplish shared goals or complete tasks as a team, according to Gillis 2020. It contributes to effective interactional learning because it encourages positive interdependence, where learners support and rely on each other, and individual accountability, which ensures that every member is responsible for the group's success. So, cooperation means dividing tasks in a group and helping each other so that everyone contribute to success. So, for example, ani is na grouping activity. Then, every member is dapat mo contribute or mahatag og ideas, then ila tong i-construct and then para maka-create sila og better output. So next is collaboration. Means students working together in pairs or groups to discuss ideas, solve problems, and clarify misconceptions. This based on the idea that 2 or 3 heads are better than 1, since learner can support and teach each other through interaction according to Cornell University Center for Teaching Innovation. So collaboration means not only dividing tasks but also sharing ideas, making plans, and deciding things together. So example ani is kani mag-brainstormings ang mga members, then muhatag sila og unsay ilahang nakatunan or mo share sila og ideas. For example, na sila project, then ug na sila ideas is mo suggest sila, then katong mga suggestion nga ilang gihatag is itapo para maka-create og better output. So next is constructive conflict. Refers to disagreements that are managed thoughtfully with a solution-oriented approach, turning potential conflict into a collaborative opportunity rather than a destructive cause. This contributes to effectiveness by enhancing communication and trust through open and respectful dialogue to ensure everyone feels heard and valued. So constructive conflict means group members disagree, but instead of fighting, they listen, respect each other, and find a better solution. So example ani is naay reporting activity. So mag-share sila og ideas, then di pwede sila nga mo nga sayop ang ilahang idea, kundi sabot sila if kani unsay ilahang dapat ibutang silang PowerPoint or unsay dapat dili ibutang nga PowerPoint. Instead of mag-away sila, ilang paminawon ng usag-usa, they learn to listen each other.